A tank water heater almost never fails without warning. It tells you it's going for months. Most people just aren't fluent in what it's saying, and when one finally lets go, it doesn't drip. It dumps 50 gallons onto your floor, usually while you're asleep or at work. I'm Jason Hammond. Here's the part the plumber selling you a new one won't lead with. Some of these signs mean replace it this week, and some mean a $20 part and you're fine for years. Knowing the difference is the whole game. Sign 1. It's older than the date hidden in the serial number. A standard tank lasts 8 to 12 years, and the date it was built is encoded right on the rating label. Search your brand, plus water heater age serial number, and decode it. If it's past 10 years, you're not replacing it today, but you should be planning for it and watching the other 4 signs closely. Find that date now, while there's no emergency. Sign 2. Rusty hot water. Run a hot tap. If the hot comes out brown or metallic, but the cold runs clear, the rust is coming from inside the tank. There's a sacrificial anode rod in there that's supposed to corrode instead of the steel. When it's used up, the tank itself starts rusting through. Caught early, a $30 anode rod buys you years. Once it's actively rusting through, you're past that. Sign 3. Rumbling and popping when it heats. That's sediment, minerals baked into a crust at the bottom, with water boiling underneath it. It makes the tank run hot and cracks the steel. A mildly noisy tank can usually be flushed. Drain it, blast the sediment out, and the noise goes away. That's a DIY afternoon that extends the life. Do it once a year and almost nobody does. Sign 4. Water around the base. And this is the one that decides everything. Find where it's coming from. Water weeping from a seam or the bottom of the tank means the tank has failed and there's no repair. Replace it today before the weep becomes a flood. But water from the drain valve, or a fitting at the top, or condensation on a humid day, those are cheap fixes or nothing. A puddle from the body of the tank means buy a new one today. A drip from a fitting means buy a $20 part. Sign 5. Running out of hot water faster than you used to, usually sediment eating capacity, or a broken dip tube, or on an electric unit a dead lower element, all cheap parts on an otherwise good tank. And the things that look scary but aren't. A dripping T&P valve is often a $15 valve or a pressure issue, not a dead heater. A pilot that won't stay lit is usually a $10 thermocouple. If you've got rust, noise, or water on the floor, and you're not sure which bucket it's in, send me 3 photos. The rating label, a wide shot, and a close-up of the water. $9.99 on hammondreengineered.com/report. I'll tell you if it's a part or a replacement.